Well, we're gonna go down and we're gonna test this Ecobust out. It's supposed to break open concrete and rocks without any explosive. It's gonna be interesting to find out if it works or not. We're gonna drill some holes, mix it up, pour it in, and see if it works.
Rock and concrete demolition. Look at that. Drill, mix, and pour. It's just that easy. So this is what we did. Uses right here. You can see it. You can pause it.
Make sure you carefully count the number of things added. Crack.
So yeah, it's good stuff. It's a nice clean boulder. We're here in Boulder City. No natural cracks already in it. All you're seeing is just the garbage on there.
It's all mixed.
It's all mixed. It's soup.
Yeah.
Looks like plaster of Paris, sort of. Mix it up.
Yeah, but there's nowhere near as much consistency to it.
Awfully thin. It's gonna crack every nook and cranny.
Yeah. Every crook and granny.
Put them into grannies instead of
You
crannies.
want the privilege of pouring?
Oh, you drilled the holes. It's your.
Oh, well, it doesn't matter to me.
I think I can pour accurately, but
Yeah, you could probably pour accurately within a millimeter.
Yeah, you can probably pour a lot better. I don't watch this working that thing. Unless you want to cut the bottle off this?
cut the bottom off the bottom and use it
Bottom as a funnel?
No, that's fine. It's easy enough to pour. I'm sure we got plenty of access to it.
It's supposed to be, what was that say? Read an inch from the top?
Yeah.
Oh, just 1 inch from the top?
Yeah, of the hole.
Oh, really? You don't pour it completely in, huh?
No.
Okay.
Wow, we're getting a lot.
Yeah. See, we didn't know the volume of it.
We gotta drill a dozen more holes.
Well, we still can. There's no reason we can't drill more holes.
Yeah, it's a wait and see
It's
process.
it's all poured. 3 holes. 1.5 inches. 18 inches deep.
Yeah.
See the cracks, this rock.
Yeah. So here's another shot of our 3 holes right here. And you can see there's no cracks or anything in this concrete, this granite boulder. Just wanted to show that beforehand because hopefully afterwards you're going to see a nice crack going down through here. That's the plan. Go ahead.
This is the rock we tested the Ecobust on. As you can see, it worked. Cracked all the way through. All the way across, all the way down the other side. Yep. It worked. Pretty good stuff. I recommend it. This is a pretty big rock. I'd say it's 30 inches.
Yeah.
We drilled 18.5 inches into it. And it cracked it. It's granite. One of the hardest rocks there is. Highly recommend it. There's it. Broke all the way through.
There it goes.
Ants.
And there is how straight the Ecobust busted that rock. Nice and straight. Yeah, Ecobust. Good stuff.
Pretty much split the drill hole right in half.
Yep, right down to 3 drill holes. Yeah, that was a good test, man. Yeah,
About 2/3.
yeah.